Hi, in this video we talk about Boolean and conditionals. The type Boolean in Ligo is called bool. It can be either true or false in lowercase. Let's see at the examples. Okay, so now let's have a look on some operations. The first operator is the AND. So to do an AND, you use two ampersands. The other operator, the OR, you will use two pipes. Then you have the negation operator, the NOT. You have the operator to do the equality and the non-equality. And you have all the comparators with lesser than, greater than, or equal. The comparable types are the basic types or the structures, the records, but not the Michelson types. If you want to compare Michelson types, you will have to create your custom functions. You can only compare types from the same type, okay? So let's see the first flow control, the if-else pattern. Remember, we had this recursion Fibonacci earlier, and we had the if-else pattern. It's exactly the same syntax as JavaScript. There is a limitation in a if-else pattern, is you cannot use break keyword inside. Okay, so for the ternary operator, you need a condition with a question mark, and then you return, if the condition is true, you return the first part of the statement, otherwise the second part. So here, if 12 equal 1, if it's true, I will answer true, otherwise I will return false. Let's continue on the flow control with the switch statement. So the switch statement is similar to what you have in JavaScript. It's a switch case. Here, for example, my function tries to guess on which quarter we have if we pass as parameter an integer. So I haven't finished here with all the cases. There are some limitations on the switch case. So you should have at least one case or one default. If you have a default, it has to be the last one after all the cases. And if you have inner switches, you cannot have a return inside of one switch. Another way to do flow control is to do pattern matching, and we will see that on the next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.